knew something was the matter.
Remember it.
Yeah, you know that. That's what I'm saying.
Do that.
You got my shoes on.
Make her cry.
They were either
So,
oh, worked out. It's good.
is that beer warm?
No.
Yeah, it's in the trunk.
Nice
Oh,
and
well, then
cold.
put it in the cooler. We'll have to run down and get a bottle. Choice is open.
Smack her in the house.
She don't like that.
She's gonna
Fight.
hopefully for his sake or something.
And he's like, we're open tomorrow. She's really thirsty.
Yeah, the Beverly's down here was open.
I'm like, yeah, and then I walked in.
The dog just
Oh, bro. Well, these two guys were with
You better be careful. You got sandals on.
I
You gotta come back, Candace.
She,
Get them way.
these
Get
guys
them
said,
waivers.
bars and outlets left. And I said, well, RJ's reopening.
Yeah.
I said, they're not
Can't
open
go in
today.
there tonight.
And
Lacey.
I said, well, Hammer Jacks. And they're like, well, where's that? And he's like, go over the bridge. I said, it's on North 9th Street. He said, yeah, you go over the bridge and go. I said, 9 blocks. He went, you're not a smart ass. I said, that's why you know me. He's like,
9:40
oh, walk and
was
break.
when the doctor came in. 11:40 let me out.
You guys started laughing at him.
I just went and told the nurse, I'm not hanging out here all day. I took my monitor off. I pulled my ID, but I will.
Never get
But
it
I
out.
told you it was
Oh, I took my monitor. I keep that on things like yeah, and I'm like, oh, you guys can't hold me here, right? Well, the thing of it was, even if they your hands
I'm really sick of you, Candace. It's Digger. Digger wants a kiss.
The only time I see
Oh!
We got you. We all can cry.
He's got you.
Did you get out of bed
How you do, Brian?
Dad don't have internet now.
my roommate, he was what, 2'9"?
I'm going on break.
You don't want to know.
What went on in here? I'm just kidding.
She got chat.
You got attacked, did you?
No, it really didn't. I just pushed myself.